Hi, I want to share with you an awesome listing. I am in Oak Harbor, Washington on Whidbey Island. And so today is my open house Saturday. And so I've got this awesome Rambler that I am holding open, 1491 Robertson Road. It's just in a cute little neighborhood, if you can see the neighboring houses. And this is a one-level Rambler. And it is just super cute. So let me take you inside. 1,450 square foot, almost about the same as the address. And like I said, one level Rambler. And it has all new floorings. It has all updated painting and just a nice soothing color. They have also updated the windows. And so this house is a 3-bedroom. It's on a 1/3 of an acre. And this is the kitchen. It was built in 1979, so they have done a lot of updates. There's not much that's still original with this house. As you can see, they've updated the kitchen, updated the appliances, took out some walls and made this just a nice, awesome, big, open space. And this is your backyard. So you've got a nice, big backyard, a big open deck, new stainless appliances, new laminate flooring. It even has a wood burning fireplace, a separate mudroom off of the garage so that you've got plenty of space to drop your dirty clothes, get those in the wash. And let me show you. Here is our full guest bath with a full tub, tiled floor. And then this is our primary bedroom. Nice big closets with some built-ins. It has baseboard heating, and this once again is the spacious backyard, big deck, and like I said, it is a 1/3 of an acre. And as you can also see, it has an awesome new roof on it. And this is our primary bath. And let me show you the other 2 rooms. And so it is carpeted. It is a 3-bedroom, and they're really good sized beds. I think you could easily get a king size bed in any of the rooms. So it's quite big. Nice subtle colors all throughout the home. And so once again, Oak Harbor, Washington on the beautiful Whidbey Island. And it is, let me see, 1491 Robertson Road. And so if you have questions on this house, let me know. We have it listed at $449,900. So it's just a great buy for the condition of the home, for the quality of the home, and it does also have a 2-car garage. See, look at those big open spaces, nicely done floors. And all of you that know me, I am a trim floor quality snob when it comes to home improvements. This house is well done. I absolutely have not seen anything that I could pick apart. They did a great job when they installed the floors and installed the baseboards. They really did a quality job, and it does have a tiled entrance, and it is a quite little neighborhood. There's not an easy cut through, so there's not a lot of people that travel through this neighborhood. So that's it. Once again, I'm Anita Johnston, Windermere Real Estate on the beautiful Whidbey Island. So if you have questions about this home, about moving to Whidbey Island, feel free to buzz me. And you can always go to my movetowhidbey.com website. So as always, have an awesome day.